ArmorAll sent me their new wet dry vac. So I'm gonna go ahead and open her up. Inside the box, we've got the vacuum cleaner, and we have these go on the end of the hose. Pull this out of the box here. All right, so now go ahead and unlock the top here. And when they shipped it, they stored the hose inside along with all of the accessories. So let's go ahead and pull that all out. We've got our wide accessory here. It's brushes on the bottom, so that's nice. Got the handle, another vacuum brush, a crevice tool, the wheels. So we've got some assembly required. Looks like these will probably just snap right in. And we've got a foam outer filter along with the one that's included on the vacuum. So we've got a 4-gallon bucket here and 2 horsepower. Let's go ahead and get this put together. All right, for our assembly, it looks like it's pretty easy. We've got the wheels, and they just pop into place here. Just a little bit of force there, and it pops right in. So no tools needed here. There, super easy. Include putting the wheels on. And based on the instructions, we've got this filter for wet operation. I'm gonna set this aside because I'm not gonna be using it for wet operation today, but we definitely wanna hang on to this because you never know when something's gonna happen and you need to clean up liquids. The blue filter that is on here, the paper style filter, I'm gonna go ahead and just pull that tight. So that blue filter is for the dry operation, and I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up. I'm just gonna set this here for right now because we have the handle to install. I'm gonna make sure that the ArmorAll logo is facing forward here, and this just snaps right on top. That was easy. And then basically I just line up the tabs there, and it locks in. And we're locked in. So we're all set and ready to go. Let's go ahead and put the hose on and fire up. All right, so I'm out of the truck. I've got a dusty, dirty floorboard here, and I haven't turned this on yet. So we'll go ahead and turn it on and see how it does. All right. I mean, that was super quick. Had really good suction power. And let's just go ahead and pop the top off and take a look inside. It's a little hard to one hand pull the top off, which is not a complaint. Normally, in normal use, I wouldn't. But look at that. All right, got a nice little vacuum cleaner here. It has a hologram for ArmorAll. That's awesome. So overall, definitely a nice little vacuum cleaner for the weekend, you know, cleaning up the vehicle type of needs. again, that's right from ArmorAll.